Hi friends, this is another WASSCE question on U-Substitution of what integration. As you can see, you will not use the general method of integration for you to solve this kind of problem. Are we getting it? So before I start, don't forget to subscribe. So you will say solution. Now the integral 3, 1 bracket open x minus 1 all over x plus 1 always equal 2. We have the x. So the first step you need to do, you let u to be equal to x plus 1, right? So you differentiate what? U with respect to x. So the u all upon the x equals to. Now the differential of this x is 1. The differential of this 1 is 0. How do we get this 1? This has a power of 1, this x. So 1 minus 1, when you are differentiating. So x raised to the power 0. So x raised to the power 0 is what? 1. So this is how we get what? 1. So you cross multiply, the denominator for this is 1. When you cross multiply, then we're going to have the x times 1 is just the x equals to the u. So from this point, you say u equals to x plus 1. Let us make what x as the subject of formula in this relation, because we're going to make use of for the expression for x that connects this one. So you say u minus 1 equals to x. You transpose this one, right? So x equals to u minus 1. The other step, we know that we have the limits. The upper limit here is what? 3. But we let that u should be equal to x plus 1. So u is equals to x is 3 plus 1 is substitute. So it will give us what? 4. So the next thing you need to do, when x equals to 1, this lower limit, so we have u is equals to x plus 1 from this point. So u is equals to 1 plus 1, then it will give us what? 2. Do we get the concept? Okay. So from the problem here, now we say the integral, now 3 here will be represented as what? 4, while 1 is what? 2. Bracket open. Now x minus 1. But x now is equal to what? U minus 1. U minus 1. But there is a what? A minus here. Say minus 1 all divided by x plus 1 is equal to what? U. So you see u always the power. It has the power of what? 2. So forever the limits, we're going to make use of them. So you say u minus 1 is minus 2 all upon u square. I forgot something, which is what? The u. Because the x is equal to what? The u. Right? So you separate this expression into their what? Denominator. So the integral, we have u all divided by u square minus 2 all divided by u square. So the integral 1 upon u, because u will cancel 1 u here. So minus, so you write this in what? Negative index. So you say 2 u raised to the power minus 2. Because when you bring this what? This 2 up, this u up with its power. So u minus 2. So the integral, so the negative for this is what? The negative index for this one is minus 1 minus 2u always to the power minus 2, brackets close. So you then what? Integrate. So u minus 1 plus 1 all upon minus 1 plus 1 minus, you see what? 2u minus 2 plus 1 all upon minus 2 plus 1. Right? So plus c, the integral constant. So here u raised to the power 0 divided by 0, because minus 1 plus 1 is what? 0. So minus 2u minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. All divided by minus 1. Bracket close plus c. So this is, the whole of this is 0 here. So what will remain here is what? Is minus 2u minus 1. And minus divided by minus is what? Plus. Right? Plus c. So 2 divided by u in terms of fraction plus c. But the limit here, these three limits, it now represents as what? 4. While the one, when we substituted, we have 2. So you say 2 divided by 4 plus c, which is another bracket for the upper limit. Then you take the other bracket for the lower limit, all upon what? 2. The value for this plus c. So when you multiply this minus 12 by this, the c will cancel. So here you say 1 times 2 times 1 upon 2 minus this will give us what? 1. The LCM for this is 1. So here the LCM for this denominators is what? 2 and 1. So 2 into 2 is how many times? 1 times. 1 times this will give us 1. How many 2 can enter into? How many 1 can enter into 2 is what? 2 times. So you say minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1 all upon 2. So this is the final answer. Don't forget to subscribe.